This is Marissa from Design by Geeks and Rissa Rocks It. This 3D ornament looks fancy, but is actually really easy to make. You can make it in a single color as I have shown here, or you can use two colors like this one. I'll put the link in the video description where you can buy the file. Now come craft along with me as I show you how to put this together. Your first step is going to be to cut your pieces on your cutting machine. You're going to cut out 16 of these ornament shapes. If you're doing a two-color ornament, you're going to cut 8 out of one color and 8 out of the other color. The next step is to fold each of these pieces in half along the score line. And you're going to repeat that for all 16 of your ornaments. Then, on the right side of the ornament, you're going to place a very thin line of glue along the equator line, like this. And then you're just going to fold that together, pressing where the glue is. And again, you're going to do that for all 16 pieces. Then, once the glue is dry, you're going to place glue at the top and at the bottom of your first piece. At the top, you're going to make kind of a little L shape. Then you can just place a small little dot of glue at the bottom. And then you're going to take another ornament shape and you're going to stack it right on top. And you want to try and align that so that the shapes are stacked together perfectly. And then you're going to repeat the process. So again, we're going to put a little bit of glue at the top and a little bit of glue at the bottom. And now we're going to add a third piece. We're going to repeat that again. Glue at the top, glue at the bottom, and now we're adding a fourth piece. And we are just going to repeat that process until all 16 pieces are stacked, like this. Here we have all 16 pieces stacked and glued together. Now, before we proceed with the next step, you want to make absolutely sure that your glue is dry. If you try to do the next step early, it could all come apart. So just be patient, go have a snack, and come back once the glue is all dry. Thanks to movie editing magic, our pieces are now dry. Our next step is we're going to place glue at the top and the bottom, just as we did before, except this time we're going to circle it around like so, to glue to the other side. So we're going to bring that around, and then we want to pinch that together until the glue dries. This is really important. If you let go too soon, it's just going to pop apart because of the tension of the other pieces trying to pull it away. So you just want to hold this together until the glue dries. I'm going to go ahead and let that dry off camera. But once the glue is dry, it's going to look something like this. And if you want to hang it up, just run a string through that center. And if you like, you can add like a bead or something like that that's bigger than the hole to keep that string from pulling through. And then you can hang this on the tree, or you can use this as a decoration. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. We hope you liked this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe.